What are the symptoms of schizophrenia? If you look at it, you have different classification systems as in ICD as well as the DSM, which is followed in the US. Now, according to the ICD-10, right now we have that you have a month duration of illness, wherein characterized by psychotic symptoms. Now, when you look at as psychotic symptoms, what you normally people described as abnormal behavior, you have delusions where a person starts thinking, starts believing that there is something going on, which actually may not be believed by the rest of the family members, which is against their cultural, social and religious systems. And they also may go through experiences like in hallucinations, which is perceptual abnormality, where there may be abnormal perceptions as in hearing voices, the taste, the smell, and even very rarely even you can have visual hallucinations also. Now this we talk about as psychotic symptoms. However, there are other features also we talk about as negative symptoms, wherein a person may not have interest in their usual day-to-day activity, or suddenly there is a change in their behavior, their way of taking care of themselves. They may be even having difficulty in concentration, fulfilling their roles and obligations. And there is also a sudden change as in disorganization. We talk about with respect to taking care of themselves, as well as the way they interact with the society itself. However, in some instances, the behavioral change may be very extreme. They can go on to extremes of refusing to take food or going into a state called catatonia, where even their posture, mobility, everything can get affected. So you have complex symptoms here. We have to understand it is a combination of the symptoms and signs, and when you talk to the individual who has this abnormal behavior as such, you might be able to recognize many of these symptoms which the person has. So you have to wait for a certain duration of time. According to the American classification, you have to wait at least for 6 months before you diagnose it as schizophrenia. Of course, in India and the rest of the other countries which follow the ICD, a month duration of abnormal behavior with psychotic symptoms is what makes them or fulfills the criteria to be diagnosed to have schizophrenia.